Winter is a great time to relax with blankets and hot drinks, but we also have to study. Let's find ways to stay focused and do well in school, even in the cold weather. Tip 1. Create a cozy study space. First, find a quiet place to study. Make sure it's well lit and clean. A cozy blanket or a nice-smelling candle can help you feel relaxed and focused. You can also add some plants to your study space. Studies show that plants can help you focus and reduce stress. Tip 2. Use the Pomodoro technique. Try the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Do this 4 times, then take a longer 15-minute break. This helps you stay focused and avoid getting tired. During your breaks, you can do something you enjoy, like listening to music or going for a walk. Tip 3. Stay healthy. Drinking lots of water and eating healthy foods like nuts, fruits, and yogurt is important. Warm drinks like tea or coffee can help you feel warm and awake. Avoid sugary drinks and junk food as they can make you feel tired and sluggish. Tip 4. Take short breaks. Taking short breaks is important to rest your mind. Go for a walk, do some exercise, or just relax. A change of scenery can help you focus better. You can also try meditation or deep breathing exercises to relax your mind and body. Tip 5. Plan your work. Making a list of things you need to do and doing the most important ones first can help you stay organized and not feel overwhelmed. You can also use a planner or calendar to keep track of your deadlines and assignments. Tip 6. Stay positive. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Positive thoughts can help you stay motivated and focused. Remember, you can do it. When you feel discouraged, remind yourself of your goals and why you're studying. You can also talk to a friend or family member for support and encouragement. Tip 7. Avoid distractions. Turn off your phone or put it on silent to avoid distractions. You can also use website blockers to prevent yourself from accessing social media or other time-wasting websites. It's important to create a distraction-free environment so you can focus on your studies. Tip 8. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for good health and academic performance. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends. A good night's sleep will help you feel refreshed and energized. Outro. Winter can be a tough time for students, but with these tips you can do well in school and enjoy the season. So stay warm, stay focused, and good luck.